Hi, what's up guys? It's me Anna Fan again and welcome back to techaply. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and add a countdown timer for workout videos. So, let's get started. The video editor that I'm currently using is Camtasia version 9. Let me just demo it for you. How does it look on a countdown timer? First step, we need to do project settings on Camtasia. Starting from here. So the color here, you have a lot of options, but here in this video, I'm just going to use a default black color, and that's enough for me. So the next step here is design a round shape. On the left bar navigation, you just click on annotations and you'll see style. If you click on all, you're gonna go and scroll down until you see this little round bubble, or if you go into bold, you'll see it in the list here. So it depends on how you navigate to it. Okay, I'm gonna go and drag this bubble onto the working area here. Now the first step here is to get rid of this pointing out here on the bubble by press on this little dot here and drag it into the middle, so you get a round shape already. Now next step, in this video we're not going to use this ABC texting right on this bubble, but we use separated text annotation. Therefore you're going to go and delete its text here. As you already see, the thing that I show you, that I make a countdown timer here, the color should be in white. All right, so I'm going to change it in white. How to change it? Click to choose the annotation first. Click the annotation properties. Click on that and choose the white color. Okay. So here right now, and just make a 15 seconds call out. On the call out, you right click on that and click on duration. Now the duration is 5, so you make it 15. Click on OK. You see the call out is a bit longer already. So let's just zoom in here to make it easier for editing. The next step here, we go and add the text in. Tap on the annotation again and choose a text call out. Okay, since here the text here already, I want to make sure that the text is in dark color so that we can see it clearly here. So now I want to choose it for dark blue, or perhaps like orange, maybe a good option. So let's change the text into 15 first, because we're gonna start countdown from 15, right? So 15, and I'm gonna go and choose the text and start formatting it. So let's see, take a consideration here that we're gonna go and format this one first, and then the other ones like 15 and 14 and 13, the other ones in the list, you just follow this format. So make sure you already set the formats before you copying in all this text to cover all this duration. Okay, so here now we're gonna go and choose the fonts. I obviously like band chips. It is also my default fonts here in this editor, so I'm gonna choose it in the regular. I'm gonna go and choose it bold, so make sure it's better. Now it seems like this text is quite small for this round shape here, so we're gonna go and increase the size of it. Let's see, let's make it bigger like that. All right, let's make it a center of this. Okay, I need it to be center. So one of the things of Camtasia is you have a guide here, so you're gonna go and move the text around until you get the center. So the text look like that, guys. Now make the text fit into the call out. So let's say here the call out's duration is 15 seconds. Logically, every text have to be in 1 second only. So how are you gonna do that? Right click on the text and click on duration and make it 1 instead of 5. Okay, and click OK. Now you start seeing that already. Okay, now it's 15. Now I'm going to copy this to all the rest of the call out and change the number of it, like 15 and 14, right? So I'm going to copy it and paste it. Make sure that you paste it and drag it. If this thing is not in right here, you're gonna go and drag it here. Make sure it stick together with the 15, and put this dragging tool on the top of the text that you want to change, and click on that text and click on here again and change it to 14. Repeat this step until you get to the end of call out. 2, and 1. The last second in this call out already. Now we're gonna take a quick relook at it, okay? So I'm gonna say this first. Make sure that everything is safe. Okay. So right now I didn't hit play yet, but if I hit play, it will be the same way as you see now here. So the next step here is adding it onto a workout video. To make it easy for adding it, just grouping all these elements here, okay? I'm going to go and drag my mouse like this to both of the tracks. Every element is chosen now. Right click on that and click on group. Grouping lets you, okay, make it bigger, smaller. After that, grouping lets you move this around. So let's say every workout video always have this timer on the top left or top right corner. Okay, so add the workout videos that you have. So I'm currently want to demo it for you. I have some workout animation here, so I'm gonna go and adding it into the working place. Let's see here, track number 1 and track number 2 are different layers. Group of timers should be on the top of this video, so I'm gonna go and switching the position, and you see timers are up here already. See that? Let's say I want to make a good copy of it, and get it set for that 15 seconds. I think right now I'm gonna add text, whatever you're gonna call it, under your name. Lifting. Alright, maybe the text is going to be a little bit bigger, it should be smaller like that. So this animation, you can choose behavior for that. Let's say shifting is better, and let's choose it shifting. Copy this text, paste it twice into your videos. So let's check it out now. Let's play it in detached Canva. Hit play on that and we'll see that. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, please share it with others, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.